Joe and Sam can paint the house together in 6 hours. If it takes Joe 10 hours to paint the house by himself, how long would it take Sam to paint the house by himself? This is a rate work problem. The key to this problem is setting it up in a table. For example, let's look at Joe. It says Joe takes 10 hours to paint the house by himself. Therefore, if we think of his rate of work in terms of his accomplishment in 1 hour, that would be 1/10 of the work. That's his rate. Now Sam, we don't know how long it takes him to paint the house by himself. So that's what we're looking for, so we call that x. Therefore his rate would be 1x. Therefore he would accomplish 1x of the work, 1 over x of the work in 1 hour. Together, it says they take 6 hours. Therefore the rate of work together is 1/6. Now these rates, when we add them up, have to be equal. In other words, Joe's rate plus Sam's rate equals the together rate. So we get an equation: 1/10 plus 1 over x equals 1 over 6. And this is a rational equation that we can solve. To solve this, first of all, we should move the 1/10 over. So we get 1 over x equals, we move this over here, 1/6 minus 1/10. Using fractions, we know that the common denominator of 6 and 10 is 30, and so I have to multiply this by 5 top and bottom. So we get 5 over 30. And 10 we multiply by 3 top and bottom. So we get 3 over 30. That's what 1 over x is equal to. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we get 1 over x equals 2 over 30, or 1 over 15. And I'm going to go over here. So 1 over x equals 1/15. That means x equals 15. In other words, Sam will take 15 hours by himself to paint the house.